Well, I have a great news. There is no corona, no COVID-19, whatever you call it. There is nothing of those sort in West Bengal. That's a great news. We are like in a golden land. Why? But kyun? Because you must be seeing, I visited Kolkata many times recently, and there is a lot of crowd. Like the Armenia restaurant I saw, there's flooding with people, literally flooding with people, as if no corona. It's Durga Puja time, you know. It's Durga Puja time, so Durga Puja celebration is there. The government has to do all of these things to keep the business going on. But if you really want to be safe, don't go out in pandals that much. Okay, it's your choice, it's your life. So what I was saying is that there is no corona. Like today I saw there is some problem going on in NRS hospital. Lot of party members are jumping on the hospital. Like it's a huge crowd, around more than 2,000 to 3,000 people, including police officers. They're like pushing over each other, this and that, no mask in most of the cases, cameramen jumping over them. So there is of course no corona out here. And I have two hospitals nearby my home. So they're like both are government hospitals. So I get to see a lot of COVID patients, and personally I studied myself from a government hospital that is a COVID center right now, so I have a proper idea how many COVID patients are coming in and going out as dead body or surviving the scenario. But as we know, there is no corona, so it's all fake, right? Hundreds of people are getting infected every day, but the crowd in market, in hospitals, the political parties meeting, the hotels on Saturday, Sundays, the crowd, once you look at the crowd, you will feel all good. You will feel like throwing away your mask and jumping over someone else because there is no corona. So since there is no corona out in West Bengal, you can feel free to jump over anyone you want, lay over anywhere you want, no problem. No sanitizer, mask, anything is required. Disclaimer of this video, this is an ironical statement, do not take it seriously. So I'll add some clips at the end of this video. Do watch them. Feel free yourself. I wasn't able to take clips from everywhere. I went to Axis Mall yesterday, and there was a huge crowd in Axis Mall. Like the Spencer in Axis Mall, there is a wine counter in Spencer. There was literally a line of 50 people standing outside the wine counter, and there was already more than 50 people inside that small glass box wine counter. Okay, in Spencer. So there was a huge crowd, and not just in the wine section, everywhere there was a huge crowd, and most of them were not wearing masks. Plus I visited via the Belghoria Expressway from Bali to airport. All the dhabas and the tea stalls near the highways, you have most probably seen them, the tea stalls and highways and the takeaway food counters in the along the side of the highway, they are flooding with people. Trust me, I saw it yesterday. The few new counters have opened, you know, the bit glamorous counters have opened. So there is flooding crowd of young boys with their girlfriends with their boyfriends, husband, wife, etc., etc. Mostly young people below the age of 35. So nobody was wearing mask. Lots of bike, everybody was sitting on their bike, having roll, chow mein, everything, biryani, whatever. So, but point is, neither the selling person or the shop owner nor the customer, not a single person along the entire Belghoria Expressway was wearing mask. No mask whatsoever. And there's huge crowd. You will feel like a puja pandal is going on out there. So if you want to feel that same way, go ahead. Best of luck for your life. Enjoy. That's the end of this video, because there is nothing much to say. I just went out. I will add some clips at the end of this video. Okay, so that you can see them and feel for yourself. And if you want to die out of COVID, or maybe get to a hospital and come back alive saying yourself you're a corona survivor and you will have a badge over your chest, feel free to do that also. Try it out, no problem. Just don't get your family involved in your shit. Stay alone then. And please don't forget to subscribe this video for my upcoming vlogs. That's all. Thank you.